Okay guys, in this video we're going to talk about timing events. What is timing events in JavaScript? Timing events allow JavaScript to run code after some time or repeat code automatically. With setTimeout, you can run your code once after a delay, like this. You can write setTimeout, and here you have to write your delay. For example, I want to write my delay 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, this interval should be run. You can write it in milliseconds. 2000 milliseconds equal to 2 seconds. And after that, I want to say console.log hello world. Now let's run our program and see it. After 2 seconds, it prints hello world, and after that, it's closed like this. If you want to run your code again and again, you can use setInterval. With setInterval, you can run your code again and again. And instead of interval, you can write your delay. For example, I want to write after 2 seconds, it should print console.log, and it should say hello again. Now let's save it and see it. After 2 seconds, this part and this part. Look, it happens after 2 seconds. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, like this. If you want to clear an interval, you can clear it by clearTimeout. Okay, like this. Clear timeout. Inside of this, you can put your interval like this. I'm gonna store it inside a variable, and after that, I want to say that says that clear timeout. Now let's save it and see it. This part, clear it. Look, nothing happened. Now let's work with a real example like counter. Okay, I want to delete all of these, and at the first I want to write a variable. It should start from 5. After that, I want to write set interval. After 2 seconds, this interval should happen, and I want to write console.log. Inside of this, x should be printed, and x, after printing x should decrease by 1. And I want to add also a condition: if x less than 0, clear my interval. Clear timeout. Inside of this, let's store this interval inside a variable. Let timing and clear timing like this, and it should say console.log. Done. Now let's run our program and see it. After 2 seconds, it prints 5 and decreased by 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and done. My interval gone.